Okay, we're going to throw the radian up. Yep. Here we go. Have a fun little flight with this thing. It's been a while. It's another little glider that flies great. She can be a handful in the wind though. It's a good flyer though. Shoot. Supposed to get real windy again. 20-25 mile an hour winds later. Hopefully I can get this flight in before it starts. Using a 1S 300 milliamp high voltage battery, so you should get quite a good flight time out of this. It's a nice little flyer when there's no wind. Oh, looks like it's starting to snow a little bit. It's cold. We've had some bad weather for the past couple of days. The winds were horrendous. Today's supposed to be no different. But it's nice and calm right now, with a little snow falling. Looks nice. This whole plane is excellent. Flies excellent. It's definitely a great little 3-channel plane. Ooh, the wind's picking up. You can see it. Okay, we're coming in. Motor's off. Nice. Great little plane. Okay. Alright, that was the UMX Radian today in the yard before the high winds come. So far it's pretty good. The flag's blowing a little, but it's like 4 miles an hour with the gusts, but she flies excellent. Alright, have a nice day. See you on the next flight.